Step into the 2009 Saturn VUE. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, and power windows. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.